video where I am going to give you my top 5 KDP low content book niche. So, if you are already publishing books on Amazon via the KDP platform, or you are new to this and looking to build on online business, then following as I tell you what these niche are. Now, if you have not been to this channel before, then welcome. My name is Ruma Rai and I videos on how to make it, keep it and grow it your KDP self-publishing business. So, let's go KDP Amazon and now search. Our first niche is carpenter journal and logbook. Carpenter journal and logbook. Here the results only shows 2000 results. 2000 results. So this is a small niche. This is a small niche. So personally I think this is a really good niche. So you can create good manuscript, good cover and choose profitable keyword and earn a lot of money per month. Now our second niche is electrician journal and logbook. Electrician journal and logbook. Here the results only shows 1000. Obviously we can say this is a small niche. This is a small niche. Electrician and journal and logbook. Here we find another niche, electrician field log. If you want to publish a book, another title like electrician fields logbook, electrician field log. Now another title is look at you becoming an electrician and sheet. So you can try different type of title. You publish a book. Now our third niche is painter journal and logbook. Painter journal and logbook. Here the results only shows 153. Wow, this is a micro niche. Obviously this is a micro niche. Painter's log, painter's journal, diamond painting log. Obviously this is a micro niche. And now our fourth niche is welder journal and logbook. Welder journal and logbook. Now the results only shows 1000 results. So obviously this is a small niche. Small niche. And now our third niche is now our fifth niche and our last niche is handyman journal and journal and logbook. Here the results only shows 1000 results. So obviously we can say this is a small niche and you can earn a lot of money from small niche bouquet. So if you like my today's video, please do subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share my videos with more niche, more ideas KDP about KDP self-publishing business. So please like, comment and share my videos to your friends and family. So thank you so much. Thank you all.